Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Mia's Makeups, where I am Mia. I am just a lowly makeup nerd who does makeup for beginners, makeup noobs, if you will. I just want to try to inspire people to, do whatever they feel like with makeup. Try it, branch out, have fun with it. Because, even if you mess up, it's not the end of the world. Anyway, the look I have for you guys today is the look that I posted on my Instagram. Those of you who follow me on Instagram, it's at Mia's Makeups. Obviously, if you follow me, you know that. But those of you who are new to the channel, it's at Mia's Makeups. If you'd follow me on there, I would love to have you. And if you're new to this channel also, thanks for checking me out. I don't know what brought you here, but obviously you're here for a reason. Anyway, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit the little subscribe button down below. I love new subscribers. I've gotten a few in the past week and it was amazing. I was super excited about it. Thank you so much. And anyway, back to the look. The look I have for you today is using my Juvia's palette once again because I feel like I didn't do it justice last time. I just didn't use it as much as I really wanted to. So that's what we're doing today. I'm sorry. I'm just going to show it again because these colors are just everything. They're just so pretty. So the colors we're using today are this one, and let's see, like these three. Okay, so the colors are Oversabi for the yellow, Unsilenced for the kind of neon orange, and Love for the kind of light tealy, cyan-y blue color. I don't know, it's pretty though. And so, it's like tropical vibes almost, like a tropical sunset almost, right? So it's gonna be good. I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get started. All right, so my eyes are primed already, so that's always good starting points. We're first going into Oversabi, this little yellow right here, mustardy yellow, super pretty. And we're just gonna go cray and put it all over the eye. So here. And with yellow, as with any color, it's really easy to go too much with it. So, start off light and work your way up. And just gradually build. And I'm going up a little higher with it because we're going to blend in that unsilenced color with it. But we still want that yellow to come through enough. All right, so it looks good. We got it up high enough here, not going into the eyebrow though. Let's not do that. We're gonna do the other. Let me try that again. We're gonna go ahead and do the other eye real quick here. All right. So now that my kids are running amok and while I'm trying to film, that's just fantastic. Next, so we've got our eyes, nice and mellow yellow. It's kind of funny, like yellow, like I don't normally wear like yellow clothing and stuff, but lately I'm on like a huge yellow and green kick. I'm not real sure like what that's about. Am I turning into a Packers fan? I'm just kidding. I don't like football. Sorry for football fans out there. I'm just really not. Like, I'm a baseball girl. I played softball for ages, so that's what I do. Anyway, so next we're gonna go into that unsilenced shade, and we're not gonna do a whole lot of it, like just like gentle touches here. So I'm just gonna gently kind of dab it on, just so it's just like, it's just a kiss of orange, right? Just a kiss of this neon orange. But it like, these colors blend so nicely. So it like, it totally works. It's not clashy at all. I love it. So, you know, kind of just medium right in here, about mid-eye, and then just kind of a little bit in here, right along the lash line, just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. You still want your yellow to come through a little bit, so that's kind of where we're at. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go do the other eye. Alright guys, so this is kind of how you want it to look, you know, kind of an orangey yellow. Nice mix of the two. And now that I'm for certain I'm raising heathens, we're gonna go into that love color, just kind of with a nice little like stubby brush. This is a Morphe M152. I applied my orange with a Morphe 518. And my yellow I applied with a Moda Pro, and it's a BMX 430 crease brush, which, even though it was a crease brush, like the distribution of the color everywhere else that I needed it to be, it was great. So anyway, so we're just going into love, get a nice little bit there, tab off just a little bit, and then we're just gonna go right here under the eye. It's kind of a almost like 80s vibes, right? Like this like blue on the lower lash line was like huge in the 80s. I wasn't born in the 80s, but from what I've seen, you know? No offense to anyone who was. I'm just saying that was not something that I saw. I'm lying. I did see it some in the 90s too. My cousin had a girlfriend named Becky. And yeah, I remember her wearing like blue eyeliner. But like, I don't think it was good. At least I didn't think so back then. Or really now. That was an interesting situation with Becky. We're not gonna go into it. I'm not trying to be ugly here. My crazy children. At least I know that they're happy and healthy, running around like little crazies. All right, so we're partway there. Next, we're just going to add in a nice little kind of a teal gel liner. It's called Aqua Green, and this is by NYX, and I freaking love it. Like, it just glides on like butter. It's so good. Like, I was a little bit attracted to it when I first saw it at the store, and then when I put it on, I was like, oh my gosh, so good. It kind of reminds me of like a betta fishtail, just like with its shimmer. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. Ugh, I just love it so much. It's so pretty. It is everything. That gives you a nice little pop under the eye, along the waterline there. So that's what gives you the pop. Next, we're just gonna throw on some eyeliner and mascara. So I'm gonna do that off camera really quick, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here we have the finished look. Tropical vibes, tropical sunset. vibes, right? Like you got the ocean and you got the sunset. So pretty. Love it. Oh, I don't have a lip. I wasn't even thinking about it. Sorry about that, guys. The lip I had in my video, or sorry, the lip I had in my Instagram the other day is actually a lippy pencil by ColourPop. Shout out to ColourPop. Called Good and Plenty. So let me just grab that really quick here. Alright guys, and I just put just a little bit of chapstick on just so that this glides a little bit better and I'm not like having to struggle to fill in my lips. So here we go. Alright, so there it is. Good and Plenty. It's a really nice, like, kind of a better than your lip color. I don't know. It's like your lip color, but better. You know? I don't know. I like it. Obviously, why would I wear it if I didn't? I'm so dumb sometimes. Anyway, you guys, here we go. Hooray! Finished look. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. This is a quick, and I didn't say quick in the beginning, and I'm glad I didn't, because whenever I say quick, it's not quick. So this is just a quick, easy, fun, more or less summer look. But you know, like, I'm ready for this crappy winter to be over. I'm so done with winter. I'm not a winter person. Even though I was born in March, like, I'm not trying to live the winter life anymore. I'm a spring summer person. So if you liked it, hit the like. Again, if you're new here and you enjoyed this, please subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your neighbor, tell your mama. Everyone is welcome. Anyone and everyone, you know. Tell your brother even. Hey, why not? We'll see what I have for you guys next time on Mia's Make Oops. I'll see you guys next time. Love yourself, love what you do, and always remember to be you, okay? We'll see you again. Mwah! Bye.